Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome on my channel PressTube. In this video I'm gonna try and do the Japanese aluminium foil mirror ball. There has been this thing on YouTube with people that are making aluminium foil balls and they all polish it to a very shiny mirror ball. And that's what I'm gonna try in this video. I'm gonna use obviously some aluminium foil, and I'm also gonna use my home casted hammer. This is a copy from a hammer that Alex Steele sent me. If you go, I think a couple of months back, you can see how I make this hammer. Now, let's go to the challenge and start with this aluminium foil ball. Here we go, guys. Okay, so this is what I have right now. It's not a mirror ball, it's just a foil, an aluminium foil ball, and now I'm gonna work it with this hammer and see if I can make it a nice round ball, and then I'm gonna polish it. I have all the equipment here, so yeah, I think the result will be quite nice. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I put away this hammer because it weighs like 6-7 kilograms and my hand was starting to hurt because of this weight, so I took this lighter hammer, and this is the result so far. I think it looks quite nice already, and I'm gonna do a little bit more hammering and then I'm gonna start sanding and polishing it. Okay, so let's do a little bit more hammering here. Okay, so this is the result now from the hammering alone, and now let's start sand it with 1000 grit, and then 2000 grit, and then we go to 3000 grit. I hope it will become very shiny with the sanding paper, and then I'm gonna use some polishing compound and see if I can make it like a mirror. I doubt it because it's not a very smooth surface. But if I don't try, I don't know. So let's go sand it now. Okay, so this is the ball. I don't have 3000 grit anymore. This is 1200 grit and this is 2000 grit. It's just like, it feels like regular paper. It has almost no structure, but that's the whole point of sanding this to a very shiny mirror ball. Now, first I'm gonna use the 1200 grit and some water. That makes it a little bit more, possible to give it a better shine. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the result with the 1200 grit. I think, yeah, it looks a little bit nicer than only with the hammer. And now let's go to the 2000 grit. It's quite a mess, as you can see. All the black stuff is, yeah, fine dust of aluminium that's coming on my workbench, but I will clean this when I'm done. So now let's go to the 2000 grit. As you can see, this is 2000. I had some 3000 in my workshop, but I think yeah, I'm out of it and I have to order it. So I'm now just gonna stick with the 2000, and that should do the job also quite fine. Now, here we go. Okay, this is the result from the 2000 grit, and now let's see what happens if I put this on my polishing machine. Okay, so this is the result, and here we go. I will put on some polishing compound on this wheel here, and then I'm gonna put on the ball and see how much yeah, it will shine afterwards. Okay guys, it's not quite done yet, but as you can see, it is starting to shine very nice. So I'm gonna polish it a little bit further and then we'll see what the result is. Here we go. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is the result of the polished aluminium foil ball. My hands are still very dirty. It's a very dirty job. And if you do this yourself, maybe you can wear gloves or something, because it's a mess to clean this. Now, this is the result. I think it's quite a nice result. You can see the lights in my workshop here that are reflecting on the ball. You see, I'm waving my hand above it. So yeah, that's quite a nice result. Now I think you all see what's coming now. I was wondering if my shredder will be able to shred this ball, because it's quite a dense ball and I don't think the shredder will eat this from the first time. I think it will do, yeah, I think it will seize a little bit and then we'll shred it eventually. So now let's see if the shredder will be able to shred this. Let's turn on the shredder and throw this in. This costed me 5 to 6 hours to make, and now it will be shredded in, I think, less than 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, that took no effort at all. That's surprising. I will show you the result here. This is the result of my shredded aluminium foil ball. This is the inside. It's quite dense, as you can see. So yeah, the shredder made mincemeat of my aluminium foil ball. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this not a black thumbs, but a blue thumbs up. And oh yeah, I also want to tell you something, guys. I have a new casting project. It's already in my new melting furnace. No, not melting furnace, drying furnace. But it has to stay in there for like 4 to 5 days. So yeah, it takes some time. But yeah, I think the video will be ready within 1 week from now. So stay tuned to the channel and see you next time. Bye bye.